Suman, born on May 25, 1916 in Tehri Garhwal, is a revered freedom fighter known for his resistance against the oppressive Tehri monarchy. Often compared to Bhagat Singh, Suman was imprisoned in 1943 for his efforts to establish Praja Mandal, a people's organization. Despite severe torture, Suman protested by fasting for 21 days and began a historic fast until death on May 3, 1944. He endured brutal treatment but remained steadfast until his death on July 25, 1944. His sacrifice was pivotal in ending the Tehri monarchy and inspired many, including Sundarlal Bahuguna of the Chipko movement. May 25th is celebrated annually as Suman Day to honor his legacy of courage and self-sacrifice. Rash Bihari Bose, born on May 25, 1886 in Bengal, was a dedicated freedom fighter who played a crucial role in India's struggle for independence. He was involved in key revolutionary activities including the Ghadar Plan, the assassination attempt on Lord Hardinge, and the establishment of the Azad Hind Fauj. After the failed attempt on Lord Hardinge, Bose moved to Japan on Lala Lajpat Rai's advice. In Japan, he engaged in teaching, writing and journalism, starting the newspaper New Asia and authoring 16 books in Japanese. In March 1942, he founded the Indian Independence League in Tokyo and proposed forming an army for India's freedom, which led to the creation of Azad Hind Fauj, later headed by Subhash Chandra Bose. Rash Bihari Bose continued his work for India's independence until his death on January 21, 1945. His relentless efforts and leadership significantly contributed to the Indian freedom movement.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। पीएचडी एमफिल किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
On May 25, 2022, Jammu and Kashmir Police Constable Mudassir Ahmed Sheikh, known as Bindas in his community, was killed in an encounter with terrorists in Baramulla. The terrorists had planned to target the Amarnath Yatra, but Mudassir thwarted their attempt. Despite being injured, he bravely continued fighting and killed 3 terrorists before succumbing to his injuries. For his valor, Mudassir was posthumously awarded the Shaurya Chakra. In his honor, Bindas Chowk has been established in Baramulla, commemorating his sacrifice and heroism. Sabarmati Ashram, established near the Sabarmati River in Gujarat on May 25, 1915, became Mahatma Gandhi's residence after his return from South Africa. Gandhi lived here until 1930, engaging in activities like farming and animal husbandry. The ashram was the starting point for many significant events in India's freedom struggle. In 1930, Gandhi launched the historic Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashram, breaking the British salt law at Dandi. The British response was harsh, imprisoning satyagrahis and confiscating their properties. When Gandhi suggested they confiscate the ashram, the British refused. Gandhi vowed not to return to Sabarmati Ashram until India gained independence. Although India achieved freedom on August 15, 1947, Gandhi was assassinated on January 13, 1948, before he could return to the ashram. Sabarmati Ashram remains a symbol of his enduring legacy and the fight for India's freedom. On May 25, 2013, Naxalites launched a deadly attack on a Congress convoy in Chhattisgarh, killing 33 people, including State Congress President Nand Kumar Patel, former Union Minister V.C. Shukla, and former opposition leader Mahendra Karma. Mahendra Karma, the main target, was considered the Naxalites' biggest enemy due to his leadership of Salva Judum, a movement against Naxalite violence in Chhattisgarh. He was brutally killed with about 100 bullets. This massacre occurred near Jhiram Valley before the 2013 Assembly elections and remains a significant event in Chhattisgarh's history. Recently, in 2024, State Home Minister Vijay Sharma announced that the government would make the Jhiram Valley massacre report public, reigniting discussions about the incident.